Hi, my name is Akshay Agarwal and I am a renewable energy consultant. I am a passionate of solar PV industry. So as you can see, Mittal Distributors is my company. We are into solar PV products dealing since 2016. So it has been more than 8 years that we are into solar PV products. This is a great industry and this can definitely boom our economy. Apart from this, I would like to thank Maha Solar Expo for giving us this platform to showcase our products, our services and to connect with our clients of the local markets. And I think this is a heads-on initiative by Raymagic and Maha Solar Expo. Thank you.